one last look at this. It's funny, you know, sometimes some cameras like to show great rolling messes when shooting out a video screen. And this camera that I'm using now usually does that. But it's funny, you just find just the right level of zoom, and it doesn't. But a little bit more, a little bit less, and it does. So there we have it. If you are in the Toronto area, do try to come to the World of Commodore if you're interested in Commodore machines. It is worth the drive to Mississauga. Anyway, enough of that. We'll continue to do our testing. We will meet again.